There's M train too. Petersfield level crossing. Signalman, I think there. For 16-17 Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo, running under 1 Peter 54 B11 on platform 1. It's already here. 450-100 seems to keep saying that one.
Hi there. Do you know anything about the roads around here?
Yeah.
So once you get to the A3, go back up that way.
Yeah.
My car park. Yeah, towards that way.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
You parked at Lidl or?
Just parked over on the station.
Okay. You can go over the bridge if you don't want to wait for the train.
Thank you.
Something special coming along?
Train, I'm just filming for a YouTube channel. Get some content on my for about a week. Sorry. Look it up, M trains if you want to. Yeah. Up we go.